Hi viewers, welcome to AirDrop Claim channel. In this video, I will show you how to claim PopLink AirDrop. So let's see about PopLink project. The innovation of the PopLink Oracle solution is that each effective price data is a price that has been agreed by market verifiers, which is in line with the blockchain consensus mechanism, while other Oracle solution cannot effectively verify the price data and can only be trusted those price feed nodes. This is the essential difference between the PopLink Oracle and other oracles. That being said, let's see how to claim the PopLink Oracle airdrop. To claim the PopLink airdrop, click the link that is given in the description. That will take you to the PopLink airdrop claiming page. Here you can see the logo and description of this project. Now scroll down. The airdrop verification details are given. The airdrop claim team verified the technology, idea, team scope and white paper of the PopLink project. Now scroll down to the steps, and here you can see some required tools are given. It's an Telegram account, Twitter account and ERC20 wallet address. And you can claim this airdrop by using the steps in this website and also by using airdrop bot. I will show you how to claim this airdrop by using airdrop bot. First click the airdrop bot option, that will take you to the airdrop bot page. Here click the start option. Now a reply will be sent by the airdrop bot. It's a guide to claim this airdrop. Read the guide if you need it, otherwise leave it. And now click the join airdrop option. The tasks to claim the airdrop is given. Totally 7 tasks are given. There are 2 required tasks and 5 optional tasks. By completing required task you can earn 15 Popo tokens. By completing optional task you can earn 9 or 4 Popo tokens. The first task is we have to join the Telegram group and Telegram channel of the PopLink Oracle. So first click the group 1 option to join the group 1 and click the group 2 option to join the group 2. Once you have joined, click the Telegram channel option to join the Telegram channel. After completing the process, the first task is completed. Now the second task is we have to join the Oracle Twitter page and we have to tweet the pinned tweet they given. So click the Twitter option, that will take you to the Twitter page. Here scroll down, the follow option is in the right corner. Click the follow option to follow this page, and now scroll down. There will be a pinned tweet. There will be a retweet option. Click the retweet option to retweet this post. Once you successfully retweet this post, go back to the Telegram bot page. And now the third step is we have to join the Discord application. This is an optional task. If you need, you can do this task. I'm opening Discord application to join this Discord page. Click the accept invite option to join this Discord page. Once you successfully join this, go back to the airdrop bot page, and now click the Reddit option to join the Reddit page of this PopLink Oracle. So there will be a follow option. Click the follow option to follow this page. Once you successfully follow this page, go back to the airdrop bot page. And now other 2 optional tasks are we have to join the promoter channel of PopLink and also promoter Twitter account. I have already joined. Let me show you. So I have already joined this Twitter page and also the promoter channel. Now we have successfully completed the task. Now click the registration option and you have to solve a simple task. You have to match the word given in the image. Now select the watch option. After this you have to enter your email address. Enter your email address and click the send option. After this you have to enter your Ethereum wallet address. Copy your Ethereum wallet address from your wallet and paste here. Once you successfully paste, click the send option. After this they ask you your Twitter link, so enter your Twitter link correctly here. After this send this message, and now you have to enter your retweet link. Copy the retweet link from the Twitter page and paste here. Click the send option. After this they asked you if you join the Discord task. If you joined, you can click the I have joined option, otherwise you can skip the optional task. I have joined, so I am clicking the I have joined option. After this they have asked your username of the Discord page. Enter your username and click the send option. Next step is the medium task. If you joined that, click the I have joined option, otherwise skip it. Now the next step is Reddit task. So I have joined, so I am clicking the I have joined option, and you have to enter your Reddit profile link here. So copy the Reddit profile link from the page and paste here. And next step is if you join the promoter channel, click the I have joined option, and you have joined the promoter's Twitter page, click the I have joined option. So after this send it, And now the steps to claim this airdrop is completed and your referral link is ready. You can use the referral link to earn more PopLink tokens. And now we are at the end of the video. This is the time to see the distribution details of the airdrop. For the distribution details, you have to join the airdropclaim.in official Telegram channel. For that, open the airdropclaim.in website and scroll down to the end. There will be a Telegram symbol. Click the Telegram symbol that will redirect you to the airdropclaim.in official Telegram channel. Here you can click the join option to join this Telegram channel. And in this Telegram channel, they are posting about airdrops details, airdrop distribution details, first details, and also fast expiring airdrops. You can claim airdrops by using this Telegram channel too. So join this Telegram channel to earn more cryptocurrency. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, put the thumbs up. And we are posting tutorials to claim airdrops almost every day. So subscribe our channel to claim more airdrops. And also click the bell symbol. It will help us to notify you every time we post a video about airdrop. And we meet on tomorrow on next video. And then bye from Hari. Thanks for watching.